Welcome to MyAmes Week 7. In Week 7, you will learn about types of houses, parts of houses, rooms in a house, Samia's home, number 2, and you will write about your home. 2. Types of houses. Listen. Listen to the words.
Town house.
Turn. Say it yourself. Town house.
Cottage.
Turn. Cottage. Continue on until the end. Slide 3. Listen and type. Listen.
Town house.
Find the word up here, town, house, and type. Town, house. Oops, that's wrong. House. That's better. And check. Move on.
Unit.
Unit. Unit. And type. Keep going all the way through. Then match the house and the word. Town. Oh, doesn't want to go. Town, house. There we go. Don't forget to check. And then at the end, we do the listening. Listen to the word.
Town house.
Aha. And then we type in here. Town house. Check. Click the start at the end. Number 3. Number 3. Parts of the house. Listen.
Wall.
Turn. Wall. Next.
Backyard.
Turn. Backyard. And you practice. And again, we match, listen, and find the word.
Wall.
Here it is, wall, down here, W-A-L-L. Check and move on. All the way through. Oh. And then we do the listening. Listen and match. Listen.
Ceiling.
Ceiling. Ceiling. And we type that word in here. Ceiling. And click on the end. Number 4. Number 4. Rooms in a house. Pretty nice house. Again, click and listen. Bedroom. Bedroom. Turn and say bedroom. Next one. Living room. Turn. Living room. Listen and type. Listen. Bedroom. Here we go. Bed. Room. Excellent. Ah. Keep going through. The match. Bedroom. Study. Living room. Click. No. Yes, that's good. And then at the end, we listen. We click one.
Living room.
Living room. And we click here. Living room, and you type it in. Don't forget to click the star at the end. Samir, my home too. Learning the words first.
Samir.
Samir. And practice Samir. Go next and continue on. Now, Samir. No. There we go. Samir. Check and move on. Drag and drop. Here we go. Match, drag and drop. Don't forget to click the star at the end. Samir, my home too. Listen to the story.
Samir. My home.
Click through the book and listen to the story. All the way through the book. Keep listening to the story. Don't forget at the end of the story to click this story is about Samir's school or Samir's home and check. Listen and type. Here's the story again. Listen to the story again.
My name is Samir.
Move on when you're finished, and then we're going to drag and drop. First of all, we have to listen again.
My name is Samir.
Good. My name is Samir. Samir. Then we check. Go on to each video, each slide, drag and drop, read the sentence, listen to the listening, all the way through again. And click the button at the end. Samir's home, listen and read. Move on. Find the word. My name is Samir. Click. Name. Samir. And check. Move through, continuing on, finding the words and checking. Move through, right to the end, and click the star. Listen again, and now you type the word. My name is, in here, you type the word Samir. Check. You practice. All the way through again. Click the star at the end. Now, Write about your home. Your home. Click here. Write about your house. Write about your home. My name is, so we type my name is, and you put your name here. Where do you sleep? I sleep in the, we type I sleep in the, and which room you sleep in. Where do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast in the, I eat breakfast in the kitchen, maybe? Some people eat their breakfast in the living room, but kitchen is usually breakfast. Where do you park the car? I park the car in the garage. Then we submit our question. Click here. Questionnaire, we click that. And thank you.